Imagine holding a clear quartz skull that seems to glow with secrets from lost worlds. You feel a chill as stories whisper of its power to heal or even talk to the stars. This pull draws people in. But what if it's all a clever trick? Crystal skulls have sparked wonder for years. They pop up in movies like Indiana Jones and in spiritual shops promising magic. Yet science shows most are fakes made in the last couple of centuries. This mix of myth and fact hides a big hoax. As we dig in, we'll uncover how these carvings fooled experts and fans alike. We'll also look at wild theories that keep the mystery alive and why knowing the truth matters. Crystal skulls first grabbed attention in the late 1800s. They appeared in museums and private collections across Europe. Dealers claimed they came from old Mexican digs, but proof was thin. Back in the 19th century, crystal skulls started showing up in odd places. The British Museum got one in 1897 from a seller who said it was from Mexico. No one knew the exact spot or how it was found. This lack of details raised questions right away. Eugène Bobon, a French dealer, played a key role. He sold skulls to big institutions. Bobon often dealt in fake items to meet demand. His stories made the skulls seem like treasures from ancient times. Without real digs to back them up, buyers had to trust his word. Tales spread fast in that era. Explorers brought back wild reports from Central America. This set the stage for skulls to seem real. But experts now see the gaps in these early stories. Some skulls stand out more than others. Take the Mitchell-Hedges skull. Anna Mitchell-Hedges said she found it in a Mayan ruin in Belize in 1924. Her dad, a British adventurer, joined the trip. The story says locals gave it to her on her 17th birthday. The Paris skull in the Louvre tells a different tale. It arrived in the 1800s from unknown sources. Like others, its history is fuzzy. Museums love the drama, so they displayed it anyway. The Shah Na-Ra skull is another big one. A private owner claims it has healing powers. Its path traces back to 19th century sails. These stories hook people with romance and adventure. Yet close looks show cracks in the tales. People first said these skulls were from Mayans or Aztecs. They thought the carvings fit old rituals. Collectors in the early 1900s pushed this idea hard. No real ancient records mention such skulls, though. Stories claim they were used in ceremonies. Some said priests wore them to talk to gods. This came from books and talks by fans. But digs in Mexico found no matches. The claims grew from excitement over new finds. In the 1800s, ruins like Chichen Itza amazed the world. Skulls fit the puzzle in people's minds. Still, no solid proof tied them to real history. Theories about crystal skulls took off in the 20th century. People linked them to magic and hidden knowledge. This turned a simple fake into a global puzzle. Many believe crystal skulls hold special energy. Fans say they can boost thoughts or heal bodies. Books like The Mystery of the Crystal Skulls from 1997 spread these ideas. Authors Chris Morton and Sari Louise Thomas shared tales from users. New Age groups love this stuff. They hold meetings where people activate skulls. Claims include seeing visions or feeling peace. One story tells of a skull curing a sick child. These legends grow online today. Videos show demos of the powers, but tests show no real effects. The draw comes from hope in tough times. Wilder ideas tie skulls to lost lands like Atlantis. Some say aliens left them as gifts. The 2008 History Channel show, Decoding the Past, Crystal Skulls pushed this view. It talked of 13 skulls that could save the world if joined. Theories claim Mayans got the tech from stars. No facts back this up. Books and sites mix old myths with space talk. One popular tale says the skulls hold Earth's history. These links excite fans of the unknown. They see skulls as keys to big secrets. Pop books sell well with these plots. Yet science calls it guesswork. Movies made crystal skulls famous. The 2008 Indiana Jones film used one as a plot driver. It showed aliens in chases, boosting the hype. Viewers left theaters wanting real ones. TV shows and books followed suit. Documentaries mix fact and fun. This blurs lines for many. Kids grow up thinking the myths are true. Pop culture keeps the buzz going. Games and comics feature skulls too. It turns a hoax into everyday lore. Have you seen one in a store? That's the media at work. Science stepped in to check the claims. Tests on the skulls revealed modern tricks. This work ended many dreams but cleared the air. Experts used tools like electron microscopes in the 2000s. The Smithsonian looked at several skulls. They found marks from wheels and drills used today. Ancient people didn't have that gear. The quartz came from places like Brazil, not Mexico. Tests showed heat treatments from the 1800s. No old methods matched the smooth finish. One study noted scratches too, even for hand tools. These finds prove fakes. Real ancient art has rough edges. Modern laps make perfect shapes. It's like spotting a new car in an old photo. Tracers followed the skull's paths. Frank Dornberg, a researcher, linked many to German shops. Idar Oberstein workers carved quartz back then. They sold to dealers for profit. Records show sales in the 1800s. Boban bought blanks and added stories. No pre-1500s traces exist. This paper trail busts the old claims. Experts cross-check auction logs. Patterns point to Europe, not America's. It's a detective job that pays off. The British Museum tested in 2008 with UV lights. They spotted fake glues and dyes. The Natural History Museum agreed, all post-Columbus. Archaeologist Nigel Hepper noted no Mayan quartz work. Real artifacts use jade or stone. Skulls don't fit the style. Key fact: over 10 major skulls tested fake. Another: no carbon dating works on quartz, but tool marks tell the tale. Tip: look for museum reports online for proof. These studies shut down the myths. They show clear signs of hoax. Who made these fakes? Dealers and craftsmen did, for cash and fame. The drive came from a hot market. Eugène Boban led the pack. He sold skulls to the British Museum and others. Accused of lies, he laughed off doubts. Boban knew the public craved exotics. Other dealers joined in. They copied Aztec looks from books. Europe buzzed with Maya fever after Stephen's 1,842 trips. Fakes filled the gap. Boban's tricks included fake labels. He posed as an expert. This fooled even smart buyers. Money ruled the game. Rich folks paid top dollar for rarities. After Maya sites opened, demand soared. Dealers hiked prices on anything old-looking. Exploitation hit hard. They stole real culture's shine. Native stories got twisted for sales. It hurt true history. One stat: skulls sold for thousands in today's dollars. Profit kept the lies going. Today, shops sell real skulls online. Prices range from $50 to thousands. Believers ignore science for feel-good vibes. Sites like Etsy list them as spiritual tools. Authors write new books pushing powers. The appeal? It gives comfort in chaos. Psychologists say, we want magic. This keeps sales alive despite facts. The hoax left marks on how we see history. It warns us about fakes in digs and shops. Fakes like this muddle real work. Museums now check every item twice. A 2010 seconds case saw a true Mayan piece doubted due to skull hype. Pseudoscience grows from such tales. It mixes with facts online. Museums fight back with classes. The British Museum hosts talks on spotting hoaxes. This legacy pushes better standards. It helps protect sites in Mexico. If you hunt artifacts, be smart. Here's how. Check provenance papers closely. Get lab tests from places like the Smithsonian. Read peer journals, not blogs. Talk to archaeologists before buying. These steps save money and grief. One collector lost $10,000 on a fake skull. Don't let that be you. Due diligence builds trust in the field. The story inspires art and books. Mexico's Yucatan sees tourists chase skull lore. Sites like Lubantun draw crowds. But watch the mix of truth and fun. Movies entertain, yet twist facts. It sparks interest in real Maya world. The appeal lasts because mysteries sell. Just balance it with real knowledge. We started with the glow of a quartz skull and ended with cold hard facts. The crystal skull conspiracy rose from 19th century tricks fueled by myths of power and aliens, only to fall under scientific lights. Dealers like Bobin cashed in on dreams, while media like Indiana Jones kept the fire burning. Key points stick. Most skulls are modern fakes traced to European workshops. Science, from tool marks to quartz sources, proves it. The hoax shows how want for wonder blinds us. Take these lessons home. Demand proof over pretty stories. Back ethical digs to honor cultures like the Maya. Stay skeptical of big claims that help spot true gems from clever cons. Next time you see a crystal skull, smile at the tale but trust the experts. Like this video, write a comment, and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications for each of our new videos.